everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I want to tell you about one very interesting project. They call the project is CarbonChain. Okay, CarbonChain is a decentralized, high-performance, and nature-friendly blockchain and ecosystem built to revolutionize revolutionize the carbon industry and help combat climate change. And you can log in here and download carbon chain white paper and download carbon chain light paper. Okay, let's talk about the project. We all know uh, today we are faced with an extreme climate, and the impact is various diseases that interface with our breathing, polluted, polluted water, and much more. What I'm worried about isn't just that, but our next generation is like our children and grandchildren that we will live in this world later. How are they? We are sad when we think about it. Today has been present in our midst. One of the projects that makes it possible to develop a blockchain ledger on carbon reduction projects. They will create wind power plants, solar power, and much more, which of course is very nature friendly for our world and our healthcare and for our children and grandchildren later. So think clearly, guys. We live side by side with nature. What we give to nature, and nature will give us what they receive. If we destroy it, then the nature will destroy our life back. The karma is real, guys. So think about it. Is karma is real. This project tends to change the world and tells the world that this is a new nature friendly breakthrough. CarbonChain is developing a blockchain system that will ensure that fuel accountability for the life of carbon credit is monitored, thus ensuring no double accounting occurs while providing evidence-based blockchain ledger. So, who will change this world if not us? Visit the official CarbonChain website at www.carbonchain.org and learn more about this project. And then uh I think we must visit the CarbonChain white. Okay, like this. And this is the team, executive panel. Stephen Ireton, CEO and founder. Dr. John Kilani, deputy chairman, and Karen Ireton, chair lady. Joshua Lear, chief operation officer. Professor Lloyd John Chingambo, PX, as climate change specialist. Jitendra Singh, technical director. Chris King, director of corporate governance. Pares Masani, chief technical officer. General Bantu Holomisa, non-executive director. Team members, and then is the partner of CarbonChain. Slovo, the Joe Slovo Foundation, Trade Solution Group, Global Banking on Demand. GW, Terra, what is that? I can read. LED Tech, Blue World Carbon, Care, Clean Renewable Energy. 3A 3D Aqua Global lalu, and then champion of the Environment Foundation, Green Energy Co. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, and see you next time guys. Goodbye.